Standard 5 asks candidates to explore, evaluate, synthesize, and apply methods of inquiry to enhance learning and improve performance. During the time I was taking EdTech 504, I was considering implementing blogging in my classroom so that we could collaborate with other Spanish language students all over the world. That is why I decided to do more research on blogging and the emerging theories that would aid this implementation. Through the research I conducted, I can now demonstrate that I understand how learning theories of the digital age relate to the use of blogs for educational purposes. I can see now how research can help me make informed decisions on the emerging technologies I choose to use in my classroom, and in this particular case, the benefits of using blogs in schools. Thanks to this synthesis paper, I concluded that there is enough evidence for me to support the use of blogs in any educational setting. Therefore, I will feel comfortable explaining its benefits if anyone were to ask me questions about it. In addition, with this paper, I demonstrate that I can follow the accepted professional institutional guidelines and procedures as stated in the 6th edition of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association, with proper citations, professional tone, and correct grammar and usage of language. One of my EdTech 501 assignments was to create an annotated bibliography about an educational technology topic of my choice. In order to fulfill the assignment, I had to conduct research using the Albertsons Library database to find 5 peer-reviewed articles and then utilize Zotero as a tool to collect, organize, and cite my sources. The topic of my choice was virtual field trips. Through this project, I have learned to collect sources effectively and to organize them logically using a tool such as Zotero. From conducting research, I learned that good sources of information come in many types and formats. I also learned how to refine my search to find sources that relate to my topic. The assignment validates my skills as a researcher, as a way to find more information about possible solutions and enhance my current practices. The Thinking Maps evaluation I conducted during EdTech 505 provides evidence that I am capable of applying formal inquiry strategies in assessing processes and resources for learning and performance. For this evaluation, I got to evaluate the Thinking Maps program to see the short-term and long-term effects they had on learners' independent writing levels. I successfully followed the evaluation method steps and concluded that the program was effective. With this project, I learned that I had to always keep the purpose for the evaluation in mind, remain as an outsider of the program, but yet be an active participant of the evaluation and make conclusions based on the data gathered and on the achievement of the set of goals.